Two Falcons also trying to prove they can compete at the next level. Kicker Nate Needham and defensive back Devin Taylor participating in pro day activities today out at Bowling Green State. Last season was a learning experience under head coach Scott Leffler. Both Needham and Taylor are ready to see those lessons translate, understanding the importance of the opportunity to showcase their skills as they look to live out their childhood dreams.
It was awesome, being there. Obviously, I sitting around for a while, but it was really cool, even guys I've never met, I've never known, just being there to support them, it was really cool to see all that come together, and it's just unbelievable opportunity, just to be out here kicking in front of the NFL is just something, it's a dream. So
it's definitely a privilege to just be out here. The whole time I was training, they was just telling me pressure's privilege. You gotta have pressure to if you have pressure, then you're doing something right.
Helped me learn a lot. It was it was a big learning opportunity overall. Being here, it's a childhood dream. So I guess over the season it all came together. It was it's super surreal, and it's just season, changed my life. So
just be a leader, honestly. Just like today, I had to go first in all drills. Just start with that tempo, just up pace everything, and when you just give everything all you got, honestly.
It's extremely personal because I feel like it's beyond football. This is something I could carry on for the rest of my life. Learning confidence, how to carry yourself professionally. It's just everything. Like I said, you gotta trust yourself, and that's just kind of how life. You gotta carry life. If you want to be successful, you gotta trust yourself. Put everything. If you're gonna do something, do it 100%. So, just kind of what I learned over the season, I guess.
Definitely a lot of growth from the end of the season till now. Just definitely getting a lot stronger, getting a lot more explosive. But the job's not done yet, for sure.
Obviously, there's going to be people out there that might not trust, believe in you. You're going to hear some stuff, but at the end of the day, you just got to trust yourself no matter what. Trust the work that you put in, and trust the process. You're out there for a reason. I'm in this position I am because, there's a reason behind it. So you got to just trust.